Here let I is equal to integral in g ln x square plus y square divided by x square plus y square into dx into dy. This is given double integral. Now this is bit difficult to integrate this x square plus y square and ln function here, so we can change this to polar integrals into polar coordinates by putting x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Then dx into dy, then we can write dx into dy is r dr d theta. This is one transformation. Using this transformation we can change this and we can write I is equal to what is x square plus y square. If x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, x square is equal to r square cos square theta and y square is equal to r square sin square theta. What is x square plus y square? R square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, that is equal to r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? It is equal to 1. So x square plus y square is equal to r square. So we write here ln r square divided by r square dx into dy. We can write r into dr into d theta. Now g is given here, x and y belongs to r square, where x square plus y square is in between 1 and e square. If x square and x square plus y square is in between e square, then r square, x square plus y square means r square. So r square is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to e square. Then r is greater than or equal to 1 if we take root here. R square root is r is less than or equal to e. If we take root of 1 is 1 here, this is root of e. So r lies between 1 to e and theta is angle, it is from 0 to 2 pi. We know that if r square is equal to 1, then r is equal to plus or minus 1. We take here only positive value. If r square is equal to e square, r is equal to plus or minus e. We know that this is plus or minus e, but we take here only positive value. Why? Because theta is in whole 0 to 2 pi. That means this is, if 0 to 2 pi means it includes all positive and negative values. So we can take r is from 1 to e. So I is equal to integral I is equal to, here first we have to take limit for r. This is 1 to e and theta is from 0 to 2 pi. Now r square and r cancels out. We get ln r square. We can write ln r square as 2 ln r divided by r. This is cancels out into dr into d theta. This is by property of ln. If ln r square, we can write it as 2 ln r. This is by property of ln. Now if we put ln r is equal to u, if we put ln r is equal to u, what is du? 1 divided by differentiate, if we differentiate ln r, we get dr by r. So in the place of u here ln r, and in the place of du here dr by r. So we can integrate this as, what is integration of u into du? That is u square divided by 2. So here in the place of u ln r, so we can write 2 is constant taken outside, 0 to 2 pi. We can write it as ln r whole square divided by 2 into d theta. Ln is from 1 to, this is from 1 to e. Now integration of d theta is, here 2 cancels out, and integration of, and if we apply e here, ln and e are inverse, so ln e is equal to 1 and ln 1 is equal to 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1 square means 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, so 1 into 0 to 2 pi d theta. This is equal to theta from 0 to 2 pi, that is equal to 2 pi. So final answer is 2 pi is the final answer for this integral. So value of this integral is 2 pi. Now next problem is, we have to change the order of integration. Now they give that integration of f of xy dy into dx, from this integral they give that. Now this is related to dy, first one, this is related to dy and this is related to dx. That means y is varies between x minus 1 to, y varies between x minus 1 to root of 1 minus x square, and x is varies from 0 to 1. So y is from x minus 1 to root of 1 minus x square, and x is from 0 to 1. Now we must plot a graph. This is y axis and this is x axis. What is x is equal to 0 here? Y axis is called the line x is equal to 0. This is the line x is equal to 0. And what is the line x is equal to 1? This is line, when in x axis this is 1 here. The line perpendicular, the line parallel to y axis in x axis 1, this line is called the line x is equal to 1. So x is lies between x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. This is the region bounded. And what is in y axis? In y axis, y is equal to x minus 1, which is the line. If we take x is equal to 0, in this, if we take x is equal to 0, then what y becomes minus 1. If we put x is equal to 0 here, y is minus 1. If we put x is equal to, if we put x is equal to 1, what is y? If we put x is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is second point. If we take this point and we can write a straight line for this. So this is the line y is equal to x minus 1. Now what is y is equal to root of 1 minus x square? If we take square both side, y square is equal to 1 minus x square. Now if we take it x square plus y square is equal to 1, we get x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is the circle with the radius 1. This represents a circle with radius 1. So we can write a circle with the radius 1 for this equation. Y is equal to root of 1 minus x square. We can check it by putting value on x and taking points on y axis. We get the same curve. This is a circle we get. This is the circle of y is equal to root of 1 minus x square. Now the region is bounded by these four equations. What? X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and y is equal to x minus 1, and y is equal to root of 1 minus x square. These four equations, the region is bounded. Which is the region? The region is bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and y is equal to x minus 1, and the x square plus y square. So this is the required region. Up to here, this region is not included. This region is not included. Only this region is included. This is x is equal to 0 line. From here to x is equal to 1, and in y axis from y is equal to x minus 1 to y is equal to 1 minus root of 1 minus x square. From here to here. So this is the required region. For this region, we have to change the order of integration. How it is? Now they give in terms of x as variable and take the x as constant. They take constant values for x. Now we have to take constant value for y and variable value for x. We have to take constant value for y. Where to where? Y is bounded from y is equal to minus 1 to y is equal to 1. Y is from minus 1 to 1. So we must take y limit as minus 1 to 1. But can we take x limit in terms of y here? Can we take x limit in terms of y here? If we take x is equal to 0, this is x is equal to 0 line. And this is x is equal to root of, this is also x is equal to root of 1 minus y square. But this is what? This is x is equal to root of 1 minus y square circle. But here x is equal to, it is x is equal to y plus 1. This line is x is equal to y plus 1. So here two equations are there. So we must make partition it. We have to take y is equal to minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. We make two partitions here. Why? Because we have to take minus 1 to 0 y value, and here it is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to y plus 1 limit, and in the region y is equal to 0 to 1. This is y is equal to 0 and this is y is equal to 1. This region. In this y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1 region, x is from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1 minus root of 1 minus y square. So this is circle region. So we can make partition here. By making partition, we can write it as f of xy. First we have to take dx and dy plus f of xy dx into dy. Now first we have to take constant value for y. What is constant value? Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0. Y is equal to minus 1 to 0. What is x here? X is from x is equal to 0. This is the line x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 to x is equal to y plus 1. This we can write it as x is equal to y plus 1. X is equal to y plus 1. So 0 to y plus 1 x is equal to. Now in the region y is equal to 0 to 1, this is y is equal to 0 to 1 region. In this region, what is x? Y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1 region it is. Now in this region, what is x here? X is from x is equal to 0 to, this is x is equal to 0 line, y axis is x is equal to 0 line, x is equal to 0 to, this is x is equal to root of 1 minus y square. Y is equal to root of 1 minus x square can be written as x is equal to root of 1 minus y square. So this is the region x is equal to root of 1 minus y square. So it is from 0 to root of 1 minus y square. So this is the required integral.